launched my drone at Raby Bay on a perfect Queensland morn. The water sparkled in the sunlight, the sea breeze gently blown. The camera saw the mansions there, with pontoons long and wide, $3 to $8 million worth, all lined up by the tide. Oh, it's $1 million mudflats make $1 million views. From 400 feet it looks like heaven, a postcard on the news. But down on the ground you'll sink your boots in mud that's black and gray, while the midges form a welcoming committee down at Raby Bay. The drone flew past the canal homes, their swimming pools aglow, the luxury boats beside the docks and manicured lawns below. The footage looked like Monaco or somewhere on the Gold Coast line, but the mangroves on the shoreline said, slow down, this place is mine. Oh, it's $1 million mudflats make $1 million views. From 400 feet it looks like heaven, a postcard on the news. The camera hides the muddy bits, the muzzies and decay, and paints a glossy picture of life down at Raby Bay. When the tide rolls in its paradise, blue water everywhere, but when it leaves, the truth appears all squelchy, brown and bare. The drone don't smell the mangrove mud or feel the midge attack. It only sees the shiny roofs and the yachts all tied out back. Fight those $1 million mudflats make, and that's the Raby way. Aerial dreams and waterfront schemes on a sunny summer day. The drone comes home with beauty shots, the locals laugh and say, just don't show them the mud and midges, mate, or the price might slip away. So here's to Raby Bay tonight, its canals all boats and breeze, where the view from up above is grand, but the mangroves do as they please.